Next up, we're going to talk about how to properly rack our slide when manipulating our handgun. So our racking motion looks like so. There's essentially two methods to racking the slide. One is called the cupping method, where I'm using the 4 fingers and my palm, grabbing the rear slide serration on my slide and punching the gun forward. And the other method is called the slingshot method, where I'm essentially using my thumb and knuckle like I'm holding a cigarette lighter. Some people call it the Israeli method, where I'm tilting my gun over and racking in this fashion. I believe that the cupping method is a superior method, gives me a little bit more grip, but if you're a left-handed shooter, you may find the slingshot method a little bit better.